So guys, what's up? I'm back with you guys in my COVID channel, and we were designing this much, and this is HTML and CSS tutorial series. Welcome back. So without getting said, let's get started. So today we are going to do is we will design a form. Okay, so as we designed till this in our previous lesson, so we will design here a form here. Okay, so first of all, let's just go to this. We want to create at last. So after these tags, and in here we will also use some HTML5. So if you don't know what HTML5 is, HTML5 is a version of HTML. Okay, so there are lots of things in HTML5, so here we'll be talking about HTML5 too. So here we will put a div class. So div is a container to contain a value, so or not value, contain anything, objects or forms. So we will create a class of this div. Class is same to ID as we discussed in the previous one here, same to ID, but this is a class. There is no much differentiation of these. So we will give a class of form dash container. So inside this form dash container we will create a form. So to make a form, there is a tag for a form called form. So this is a form. So inside form tag you should input something. So inside form tag, to take input, you have to put input tag, and the type is, we are requesting for a name of the user, so type is text. We are requesting for a text, and name is name. We are getting first name, and we will give a value. Value means the text that occurs in the text box. So value is name, and we close it like this. Okay, so as I save and as I refresh this page, you can see here name is coming, but when I click, it's coming full text. Here you should be asked for a hint. So how to do is just change this value to placeholder like this and save it. And as I refresh, you can see as I put COVID, and it's simple. So it's saying, yeah, it's nice. Now we will put here another form input text of or is input type, and here we have to type of is means number. So here we have to put number and name as is, and here you will put a placeholder of is and close it. So as I save and as I refresh, you can see it's coming, and you can choose it what's your is. So mine is 15. I put 15 minus COVID bounty. So as I put, as I enter, so it's happening. So we want here a break. So easy, I have already told you, br/, and we want a submit button here. Okay, so for that you have to just put a tag of button button and remove this less. So name equals submit, and we want when button is clicked, so here you can see a button is coming. So we want a value that will be the text only, and submit. And as I save and refresh, showing it like so. Behind the scenes, I just modified my code, not so much vast, but I removed all and write button type is of button, and inside the button tag we have to put submit. So, and as I do it, it's coming. So we will design this form. So here div class, and so let us give everyone an ID. So we will give an ID of name here, and ID of age here, and ID of btn. So it's Sky. So nothing changes, we want this. So in the style CSS, create a new code starting of div the class of this. So how we recognize this class file in this is put the tag, and class is denoted by dot and the class, that is form-container. So we will put the color of this to mild red. So go to color picker in Google and just pick a color. So I'm picking a color of like this, mild red, like this, and paste this. And as I refresh it, so something is missing. So div dot container. Oh yeah, here it's missing. It's color. We don't want color. We want background color. Yeah. So as I refresh, you can see its background color is this. So we want this here a padding, here a padding. So we will not put here. We will set the height, padding 10 pixel. So as I do this, padding means this area which is like a margin, which works like a margin. So we have to design these name, age, and submit. So we will do this as input and hashtag and name. So we will just change some padding in the bottom. So padding dash bottom is 5 pixel. 5 pixel is nice, and as I refresh, you can see it's going on. So if we want a margin between them two, we have to just specify a margin and bottom. We want also 5 pixel. As I do this, you can see 5 pixel it's down. So we want this in input hashtag age 2. So we will put the same code here, and as I save, you can see it's looking good. And we will assign this form to the center. How we do? So first of all, we have to give a class to this form, and class will be form. So as I save, and here I will denote. Please give the class or ID to all of these, because there would be very much more div and more form, so it will be easy to recognize. So form.form, we want this to be in center, so align content to center. So as I refresh, save and refresh, it's not happening. So we want, so guys, I worked a lot, but I didn't find how to put this form inside this in the middle. So if anyone knows how you can do this, please comment me. Okay, so I will figure out this and tell you later. So this much for today. We learned how to put the name, and let me tell you, you have many types. Like email, you have also email type. So you can see as I save and refresh, I put email, and here you can see. So I will put a required tag here, required, and as I refresh, and if I put none, it's nothing. So I will put more videos after figuring out what's the problem of this form. And if you know, please comment me, and I will meet you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll meet you in the next one.